Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Intuitive Healing. It's been so long since I've posted on here or made any videos on either of my channels, Messages from the Master Owl or here. I have been doing a bit of creative work in the background. I've recently created a deck of cards which you can have a look at on Message from the Master Owl channel or on my Instagram channel. But what I really wanted to do a video on today was the 1111 portal that is here with us and what that energy is about. So really tapping into the gateway, 1111, if you see, if you're into numerology or numbers, it's that alignment with heaven and earth. It's that ascension and grounding at the same time. It's the gateway, and I see it as a manifestation gateway. So whenever I see 1111 on the phone, time-wise or things like that, I always think, what am I thinking? What are my thoughts? Just being mindful of my thoughts and making sure that they're positive and being aware and conscious of my thoughts. So this 1111 portal has really been, for me, I've been feeling into it, and what the energy is for me is about ascending into a new type of love, a new energy of love, a love rooted in 5D consciousness, in a higher level of seeing things. It's the energy of the eagle or the condor. It's that heart energy, really opening up that gateway of being able to love with greater compassion for all beings, great and small, the fin, the fur, the feathered, for the four-legged, the two-legged, the creepy crawlers, for all of Mother Earth's relations, for all our relations, for every being on the planet, and really understanding that we are all one. You're probably thinking, what's she talking about? I haven't really spoken to you all on this channel about some of the stuff that's been happening lately. Well, we've all been going through our own things this year for sure, but since, if I can tell you a little bit of background story, in 2012 I had my awakening, and it was only about 20 or 2 years ago that I really started being triggered into expressing my awakening, and it's taken a really long time. The journey's been really long for me, out of fear, because in 2012 I started getting some of my psychic senses, like being able to feel other people's pain when they came next to me, or telepathy's been really strong in the last 2 years especially, and I'll do another video more about my psychic gifts and things like that. And I haven't really met somebody as yet with as strong a gifts as myself, so I've kind of been keeping to myself a lot this year, because the energy has been really intense, but yeah, it's just made me become a bit more of a hermit, and I've lost my train of thought now. In any case, so from 2012, I had a lot of awakening, and it was experiencing a lot of things, and at times I thought I was going crazy, and I've had my own journey since then. But it's been the last 24 months that's really, since Lionsgate actually in 2018, where I've been really triggered by spirit and hearing spirit saying, you have to start speaking about this now. We're coming up to a very big date in astrology, and things that have been written in the stars or written in from our ancestors, which is the 21st of December this year. Some of you might know that the Mayan calendar finished in 2012. I think it was the 12th of the 12th, or maybe even the 21st of the 12th in 2012. Some scriptures and things like that say that that wasn't the correct date. It's actually this 21st of the 12th. My personal belief and what I've received as information from my spirit guides is that it was back then where a new type of human was born. And these are warriors of the light. They are here like me, like you, who are watching. If you're watching, you're most likely this person. Know that there's something else happening behind the scenes. Despite whatever's going on in the 3D world, there's a new world emerging. And this new world is the 5D reality. It's 5D consciousness. It's a much higher vibration. I see everything as energy, and everything, and energy is everything. That includes you and me, and we're all vibrational beings. And through this, if we understand and see things as frequency and vibration, we understand that our thoughts create our world. And so it's really important to master your mind this year, especially to really be conscious of what you're thinking, be conscious of what you're saying, because your word is your wand, and you can manifest and create things through your words. And really be mindful of the action that you take, so using discernment and taking inspired action along your journey. So more about the 1111 portal. It is about manifestation, because that is what the 1111 portal 1111 means for me, and I know for many people out there may have some different meaning for you, and that's cool too. Add that to the mix. And it really has this essence of love, and coming to a greater understanding of what love looks like in 5D reality. And so I wanted to bring that to you. I will be sitting in meditation at 11:11 on the 11th, and also again with some friends worldwide at about 3:11 Sydney Australia time. So please join in. I don't know if I'll be posting anything online. If I get a chance, I will. And I hope to see you then. Otherwise, I'll be making another video soon. I do want to get my videos going again, because Spirit's really asking me to start making videos and expressing the information that I have, that I've been gifted with, expressing maybe some of the things that I've been going through with my own personal journey in terms of discovering my psychic gifts and how they've been unfolding in a stronger way. Definitely want to post some stuff about protection and how you can, as you become more sensitive and more of an empath in this world, how you can protect yourself from outside energy, and how to stay high vibe, basically, because that is how we protect ourselves, by doing the work and staying as high vibe as possible, releasing the past, and coming into this new way of living, a new being, recreating yourself, rebirthing yourself. So I hope you've found today's topic or video interesting. If yes, leave a comment. If no, you can give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. That's fine too. And if you want to see more of me talking about other spiritual things, let me know. It's really important. It kind of helps me stay motivated, I guess. I can get a bit lazy and not want to do videos. But if I know somebody is watching and it is helping somebody, then I'll definitely start doing more videos. So subscribe and be well, be safe. My love goes out to you. Lots of love for setting intentions for the planet, for the universe, for our communities, and for ourselves, of course, for our family and friends, and for ourselves. So set those intentions. Sit in silence for a little bit tomorrow, because it is a very powerful day of manifesting, and always think in the positive, so that you're not manifesting lower vibrational energies coming towards you, and instead you're manifesting what you actually want. And last of all, surrender it all to the divine, because the universe knows exactly what you want. It knows exactly what's happening. It's for the greatest good of all. And if we can have that intention, that it doesn't matter what we ask for, if we release it and surrender it to the divine, then we know all will work out in the end. as the saying goes. I'm not sure whose quote this is, but it's change is messy in the beginning, or change is, what's the word? I think it's messy in the middle, but it's hard. Change is hard at first, messy in the middle, and beautiful at the end. From my heart to yours, the light I see in you is the light I see in me. We are one. Namaste.